At NAS, we know your time is as valuable as the vehicle you want to safeguard. So why juggle multiple coverage plans when our Ultimate Titanium Lite bundle has everything you need? With Ultimate Titanium Lite, you'll have access to a wide range of supplemental vehicle coverage options. We made it simple and economical, pre-selecting the most popular and cost-effective benefits into a single plan. You'll receive coverage for products such as cosmetic wheel repair, coverage for alloy wheels that have been cosmetically damaged due to curbs, nicks, scrapes, or scratches, paintless dent repair, providing quick and easy repairs for minor dents and door dings, key remote replacement, which will replace and program your key remote if lost, stolen, or destroyed, up to $800 per year. And in cases of an unexpected breakdown, you can rely on the plan's roadside assistance benefits, where you receive 24-hour availability for help with emergency services such as towing, road service, essential fluids or supplies delivery, flat tire changes or repairs, and battery service. Ultimate Titanium Lite not only provides significant safeguards, but it is also a smart way to save money on our already low-cost plans. Features and advantages that are not available when purchasing separately, providing additional savings and benefits. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on valuable savings and coverage. Experience the benefits of Ultimate Titanium Lite from NAS today.